Hello everyone. In today's learning session, I will show you how to create a private link using Scrum Cloud Login. So let's begin. As you can see right now, I am inside my Scrum Cloud Login, and the first step will be that I will need to add a course. In order to add a course, I will select the library tab, and from the library tab, I can go to the add content option. And as you can see that I have the option to add different packages. But for today's learning session, I will add a Scrum package. From this page, I will go to the browse option and I will select the file that has already been zipped. And then I will select import course. So right now the course is being loaded. And once it is completed, then we will go to the next step in our process. So now we are inside the test course, and now we can see that we have a course sandbox and there is no scoring and no information available because we have just added the course. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a private invitation, and I can do that by going to the invitation tab. Since this is my first time in this course, so this is why I do not have any invitation at this time. So I will create an invitation by clicking on the Create Invitations option. In this window, I have two options. I can create a public link and I can also create a private link. And I have already demonstrated how to create a public link. So for all of my friends who are interested in knowing how to create a public link, I will be sharing a link for this course. But for now, let's just focus on the private invitation. And we also need to select the course by going to the drop-down option. And since I have only one course in my login, this is why it is only showing one course. So I will select this option. So once I have selected my course and I have selected the type of invitation, then the next step is to select the sender recipient information. So I can select that. And then if I want to add user emails, I can add here. So for example, I can add abc@gmail.com. And I can add 123@hotmail.com. So then I can add the subject of my course. So it is basically a test course. The next step is that I can update the body of my email by giving a username, and I can also add some description about my course. And the last part of this invitation is that I can add tags in regards to if I want it as part of my invitation or not. So after we are done with that, I can click on create invitation. So once I have clicked on the create invitation option, I can come to this screen that is basically showing the success of my invitation request. And now I can see that this was a private invitation. And if I want to disable the invitation, I can always do that. And if I want to update it, I can always do that as well. So this is basically all the information that I gave already in the previous page. So this was all for today's learning session that was basically focused on helping you to understand how you can generate a private link using the Scrum Cloud functionality. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.